Alright, what's up guys? So today on this video we're going to do headlight replacement on my brother's G8. Replace the seals on the compressor. So let's get it in the shop. Alright, here's a cold start of this beauty. And it doesn't start. Piece of shit. Alright, so we got the car in. We're gonna decharge the AC system, the compressor. And let me get the car on the lift and we'll get that compressor off. Alright, we're gonna get the car on the lift here.
Why are you running?
Yeah, his asshole's making fun of my vloggingness. What was that? What was that? Chupa away. Stretch here. Alright, there's the compressor, guys. Gonna pull that shit out right now. Can't forget about the pag oil. Get your hands up. Alright, fan shroud is out. Compressor is out. Look, no oil. That shit's dry. Oh, look. Wasn't it? There's a pump? Oh, it's not pumping at all, dude. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's get the new one in. Well, I don't know. Check this out, guys. Alright. This thing just spins freely. And pumping. No bueno. We got the new one here. Now you can hear the pumps. So, let's put this in. And maybe have time to do the headlights on this car. Alright, compressor is in. Got to bolt it down, recharge the AC system, and have AC again. Going down, compressor's in. Oh, kind of in. Gotta bolt down the lines. Let's do it to it. You get an aftermarket compressor. No, it's a rebuilt. A rebuilt compressor. Make sure you get the connector that goes right there. Alright, loosen that shit and do it. Hold on here, hold this. Why is it hitting that? Compressor's in, belt is on. To get this fan shroud thing in there. And charge up the system. Won't have time to do these, we'll do another day. Oh yeah, take it. Whew. Hot, man.